Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Daniel and this is the I Am Abundance channel, okay? You know that you're in the right channel if you are a person that is constantly looking to improve themselves, have a positive mindset, and continuously growing to become the best version of yourself, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about one life-changing mindset tip that I feel like a lot of people don't know about. Okay, I want to share this because I know that everybody's busy. Like I get it, the fact that you know you have a family, you have things busy at work. So I just want to take this time to share with you this something that's very important and that I know will elevate your life. Okay, so stick around all the way into the video. It's going to be a good one. So thank you very much for watching, and let's get right into it. Okay. I heard a very good quote by Tony Robbins one time, is that if you are not constantly growing, you're dying, okay? If you are not growing, you're dying. Let's say that again for the people in the back, okay? So if you're not growing, you're dying. So, I mean, let's think about it like this. So everybody has bad days, right? I have bad days. The president has bad days. We all have bad days. It doesn't matter who you are. You could be the most successful person, the most poor person in the world. You are gonna have a bad day, no matter the whatever, right? So everybody's gonna have a bad day. So, but if we want to continue growing and living happier and more fulfilling life, then we need to constantly be growing by reading books and just developing your mind. So, for instance, like right here, I keep a little bookshelf right here on my desk. I actually don't really use my desk that much because I'm always just kind of out and about and running around, but I like to use my whiteboard, of course, too. So, but I highly recommend just keeping a bookshelf next to you. But down to the point though is just that you are one step closer to becoming and literally achieving your goals. So imagine that for a second. So I know you are watching this video because you are having a goal for yourself. Maybe it's you are working out, maybe you're getting your degree, maybe you are going into education, into YouTube, music. I know you are chasing something and you are currently watching this video. Maybe you want to be the best parent, the best spouse. I know you are currently becoming the best version of yourself. It's part of the reason why you're watching this channel. So you are one step away to becoming that best part of you. Maybe you're a salesman and you are literally one sale away or one client away from making that amazing deal or just making that great deal. So just imagine yourself. So if or even for people who are YouTubers, like for instance, like for me, I carry myself in a mindset that if I carry myself in a mindset that one more video is going to reach hundreds more people, then like I'm gonna be motivated. Like I'm motivated to make a video because I want to serve people. I want to show people that there is more of an abundance out there in the world than what we have in our world right now. I didn't grow up in a very wealthy family. I didn't grow up with a silver spoon, anything like that. Okay, so but I just want to share with you that if we carry ourselves, like if we are one step away, we are literally one step away from achieving what we want to achieve, then there's no doubt that you will be to that next level. Okay, so just imagine that in your mind right now. Just imagine that you are one step away. How does it make you feel? For instance, for me, like if you are like I said before, if you're a salesman, just imagine. I know not everybody's a salesman. Or maybe you sell makeup and you're watching this video, or maybe you are a musician. If you wrote that one more song and you literally posted that next song on YouTube or the internet, just imagine that if you are one song away from reaching your audience or reaching your clientele, how would you carry yourself if you knew that happened and you knew that was going to happen? So that's the message for today, guys. If you enjoyed this, I just make sure you share this with somebody, because there's a lot of scarcity thinking in the world right now, and if we all think and just a little bit differently, it will literally change our lives for the better. And that is the point of this channel. Okay, so just let me know what you think of this video, then just go and drop something in the comment section for me, and let me know what you think of the video and what thoughts or suggestions or opinions you might have. Just go and drop something in the comment section for me, and we'll see you in the next video.